Full monitoring of the cars and van is a popular request. We cannot install accurate capacitive fuel level sensor in the car because there is no space for them. And if there are no any suitable CAN-based data, the only way to monitor fuel level remotely is to connect to the vehicle float level sensor. Let's look at the drawing. This is how we connect GPS tracker to vehicle float sensor. By design, the factory installed fuel level sensor in the car are not accurate. This electric circuit is powered from dashboard gauge and electric current flow also through the sensor. Sensor resistance changes with the level of fuel and we can see dashboard gauge reaction. Also, we can measure the voltage in the point between sensor and dashboard by analog input of GPS tracker. It usually works properly, but unstable voltage supply can be a problem. When the engine is stopped, the nominal onboard battery voltage is about 12 volts, increasing up to 14 when the engine works. The voltage change according through fuel level remains the same. So, when the engine starts, you will have a defective fuel data. Eurosens Dock device fixed this issue. Let's see how it works. You connect Eurosens Dock to the points of connection. Another Eurosens Dock input is connected to onboard voltage measurement. Connect this wire to the point when the onboard voltage appears after switching on the ignition. Eurosens Dock output is a RS485 interface with the common LS fuel level sensor protocol support. It is compatible with GPS tracker with RS485 interface supporting fuel level sensor. It can be seen how analog input value of GPS tracker changes with the external voltage coming to the dashboard and float sensor. And RS485 input of GPS tracker changes slightly. Another feature of the Eurosens Dock device is smoothing of the fuel level data. The sensor doesn't provide any data when the ignition of the car is switched off. In this case, Eurosens Dock will provide the last measured value. So, if you want to use vehicle float sensor for the fuel monitoring, check whether its data depends on onboard voltage. If yes, Eurosens Dock device is recommended for better quality of data.